Hi, this is Jordan with Good Sports Outdoor Outfitters, and today we're going to be talking about the Patagonia Black Hole Duffel. The Patagonia Black Hole Duffel has actually been around for about 15 or 20 years. I use a very old version of this, and the idea was just to create a very open space, easily accessible, with a nice big clam lid, but overbuilt in design, so you'd never really have to replace it. Patagonia chose to use a 900 denier TPU coated outer fabric with a 900 denier bottom that will make sure that you never have to worry about cutting or slicing. It's extremely slippery, kind of slick, but it has some texture to it. The idea is that when you're dragging it over rocks, you're not going to snag or cut. Also note that the seams are off the ground. None of the seams actually touch the ground, so they don't get exposed to any abrasion. Again, over designed by Patagonia. The material itself is truly waterproof because of the construction. However, it is not a fully submersible seam sealed bag in any way. The fail points being obviously the zipper, which is a number 10 YKK, and also that is not truly seam sealed like taped seams closed. Has a snap handle as I'm holding here and easily removable shoulder straps. You unfeed the D-ring here, you have a Fast X buckle there, and it drops off very easily. Inside, they wanted to create just a very open hole, very open space, and the idea is that you're going to max out this space completely. You have on the lid, you have two divided mesh pockets here, and on the outside you do have one pocket there that is actually the bag that the entire thing stuffs into. So they stuff like that, and yes, it is doable. It is possible to do it back once you open it. We do also have a frame built specifically for this display, and the bag itself, if I didn't have the frame in it, would be very floppy, so do keep in mind it does not stand up by itself. But it is extremely well made, and it'll probably be the only one like this you'll ever really need to buy. Really thank you for watching, and enjoy your new Patagonia Black Hole Duffel.